Guys, Pound is finally back. The new Pound Gastropub just reopened at Robinson's Place, Manila. And the vibe? Minimalist, classy, pero still the same bold and tasty food we all love. Unahin na natin with the Caesar salad. Fresh lettuce, creamy dressing, may anchovies pa, tapos soft-boiled egg. Super zesty and refreshing. For the wings naman, kung gusto mo ng may spicy kick, go for the Nashville Spicy. Pero kung team cheesy ka, go for the garlic parmesan, which is savory, garlicky, and sobrang addicting. Hindi ka titigil sa isa. Of course, the OG Pound animal fries loaded with caramelized onions, crispy maple bacon, at yung special sauce nila. Messy kainin pero masarap. This is their pound slider, cute size pero beast sa flavor. Smashed patties, toasted edges, juicy center, and legit small but mighty. Spicy caramelized onion pasta is creamy, spicy, and savory. Kung ribs naman ang hanap mo, the spare ribs in barbecue sauce are full of the bone tender. Sweet, smoky, and solid din yung sarap. And for the steak lovers, the Delmonico US Angus steak is a must try. Juicy, rich, tapos lalo pang sumarap with the gravy. For me, the OMG milkshake para ka talagang umiinom ng brownie sundae. Creamy, chocolatey, and ang saya sa sweet tooth. Overall, the new Pound Gastropub is giving top quality food, great service, classy interiors, and exciting new items. Kaya guys, add nyo na to sa food crawl list nyo.